How to write a rock song. 1. Choose the topics for your song. Angry, edgy, and anti-authoritarian describe rock. Rebellion, liberty, sex, and drug usage are the most prevalent themes in rock music. Another important theme in the genre is romantic love. Make use of your personal experiences as motivation. 2. Identify a title for your song in step 2. Look for memorable phrases in books, listen for them in conversations, and keep an eye out for them in TV series and movies. Anything that stands out to you should be noted in a notebook or on your phone. These words or phrases may be used as the basis for your song's title and the chorus and verses of your song. 3. Create a hook using your title as a guide. Try out several melodies and your title suggestions to see if you can create something really catchy. As soon as you do, that can function as your song's hook, a succinct, memorable line that lingers in the minds of your listeners. 4. Create a chorus to go with your hook. Your hook should be in the chorus so that it is repeated as much as possible since it needs to be memorable. The hook is typically placed at the start or finish of the chorus or used as a bookend on both sides. 5. Write your song's opening verse. The chorus may be ambiguous, but your verses should include precise examples and imagery. Build on the concepts that were established in your chorus with verse lyrics that give your listeners a clearer understanding of the subject matter of your song. 6. Your song's subsequent 2 verses should follow the first. It should be quite simple to write your remaining 2 verses once you've established the song's rhythm and lyrical tone in the first verse. 7. Consider incorporating a bridge. It deals with your themes in general terms, but adds something fresh and surprising to break up the monotony for your listeners. A bridge is like a second chorus in your song. It's a transition that gives you the chance to be inventive and add harmonies, a different beat or instrumentation, or a different tone. 8. Choose your tempo and rhythm. The type of rock you wish to build will have a big impact on your rhythm and beat. Heavy metal has a 4/4 time signature, while punk rock uses a quicker, driving pace. 9. Employ power chords. Power chords, as opposed to conventional ones, are frequently used in the most well-known rock songs to give the music a less smooth, rougher tone. By placing your first finger on the top string of your guitar and pressing down with your third and fourth fingers on the 2 strings that are 2 frets down from the top string, you may create power chords. 10. Add other classic rock instruments after an electric guitar. Since the beginning, electric guitars have served as the cornerstone of rock music. Use an electric guitar as accompaniment and to help you create the melody as you write your song. Have lots of fun. Good luck, mate. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.